Okay, so today we are learning how to use Solver. What is Solver first of all? Solver is a add-in program of Excel. It means it is not there inbuilt. So this option is not available by default. You have to add in, you have to add an additional feature of MS Excel to use the Solver. So how can we add it first? So go to this option button, click on Excel options, go to add-ins, click on Solver add-in. I have already installed, so that's why it is already coming, but you have to click on this add-in and then click on go button, then click on this checkbox Solver add-in and press OK. So it will get installed into your Excel, and when it will get installed into your Excel, it will come into the data tab as an additional option here under the analysis group. So now what we have to do is what exactly the solver do. Abhi now we have five different items and their prices and their quantity, and if I wanted to purchase each and every item, then the total cost will be 81850. But I have a gift voucher of rupees 2000 rupees, and I don't want to waste even a single rupee from my gift voucher. So I want that I should purchase the items like this, that the whole amount will get utilized. So what should I purchase and what should I leave, that we have to decide. So you can do this with the help of solver. Now what we will do is click on the solver button. Okay, click on the solver button. The window will appear like this. Now I have to set the target cell. Target cell means where you want the changes to appear. So I wanted to change this cell. It should be equals to the maximum value, which is 2000. Okay, by changing which cell, I want to do some changes in the quantity, because if I'll increase or decrease the quantity of the items, then only I can bring my total to 2000 rupees. Okay, now we have to add some constraints also. Constraint means what conditions you want to apply on this. So I'll click on this add button, and suppose my first constraint is that quantity should always be a integer. It should always be an integer. Integer means it should not be a decimal value. Either it should be 1, 2 or anything else, but it should not be 0. So okay, add one more. Next is I wanted to add that this value should be equals to voucher value, that is 2000 rupees. Add it. Next I wanted to add that uh, that the quantity should not be should always be greater than 0. Okay, now I'm going to click on the solver button. Let's see what will happen. So as soon as you will click on the solver, it will show you that if you will purchase 2 jeans, 1 belt and 5 earrings, then the total amount will be 2000 rupees. So you can have a best utilization of your gift voucher with the help of uh, by purchasing these items only, and you have to drop it t-shirt and shoes. So if you want to keep this solution, you can click on keep solver solution, or otherwise you can click on restore to original values. Okay, so this is how solver works. It will show you what maximum amount, what maximum quantity you can have to purchase a item, so that you can fully utilize your voucher or fully utilize your amount.